Let's take another look at scenes. We have already worked with a couple of scene actions, which were the emulate button and the ramp load. But I have other objects now in this file that will allow us to see all of the other options that we have to select. I have shades and I have color loads, both color temperature and full color. So if I come into scenes now and I create a new scene, then we'll just call it our example scene. Then we go in and edit the action, no actions initially, and we can ramp loads to specific levels. Let's turn that on. Excuse me, let's turn that. Okay, so that's like we've done already. The next one is dissolve color. Now this one will only allow us to select those loads that have color capability. We can modify that, and this is the dissolve means we're changing from the current temperature to the other temperature, and we have the ability to adjust how long that dissolve time is. And then also we can either do a custom color or we can select from a swatch value that we've already created. This is part of that value of creating those swatches. Now I can add a set color temperature, and of course that will only be available for those loads that have color temperature capability. And again, we could do custom or use a swatch. We also can set shade position. So if we wanted to have all the shades closed in that room. Now, what if we wanted to insert delays in between actions? So say, for example, I want to do a 20-second delay. Where do I want to put that? Well, let's just say for our illustration purposes, let's have the shades operate first, then we wait 20 seconds, and then we have the, well, actually, let's start the dissolve, and then we'll wait for the others for the color temperature and the light levels to change. Now, we can do whatever order. This is just a demonstration. Once we're done with that, then we would go back and we would complete which rooms, selecting which rooms this is going to show up in. Now that example will be here, and it will do all those things that we just programmed it to do.